overhead, cross. Sa taas ka kuha. Taas, reverse.
Hello guys, here with Mike Minuluan. And of course, he's using the Enforce 111. As always, he will be showing us today his signature shot.
Overhead, cross.
Like that.
Overhead, movement. Overhead, cross. Overhead,
Forehand side na. Okay, so Mike, if you're gonna teach someone how to do this shot, ano yung steps?
The first step is, kailangan natin unahan palagi yung bola. Then, pag snap mo, kailangan i-reverse mo na sa taas. Huwag mo antayin pababa para magandang impact sa kabila. Like this one. Taas. Reverse. Reverse. Oh. Reverse. Good. Next side. Reverse. Snap.
Sinong inspiration mo sa form mo?
For my form, talagang inspiration ko talaga si Carolina Marin, Olympic gold. Perfect talaga yung mga shots and then yung smashing niya, yung reverse and overhead. Favorite ko talaga.
Okay, sige.
Yun.